Have you ever read a book, done therapy or coaching, listened to a podcast, and you found it really useful for a time and you applied what you learned to your life, but then it stopped working for a minute? That's probably because you were trying to apply someone else's life lessons to your own life, which is really uniquely different. One of the things that Jungian analysis does that's really different than everything else is it requires us to look at our own lives and find how our own life and our own life experiences are the teacher. That requires a lot of thinking and discernment and harvesting sometimes difficult experiences for the gold and for the lessons. In other therapy trainings I've done, we've learned theory and then tried to apply them to cases. My analytic training is different. We have to read the entire collected works pretty much and then decide for ourselves what fits for our clients, what doesn't, discard the rest, much like we have to do with our own lives. The Buddha did not become the Buddha by reading books written by the Buddha. The Buddha became the Buddha by sitting and reflecting on his own life experiences and learning from them. That's exactly what Jungian psychology is about. And it's also not about life is what our ego thinks it is. It's about really digging in and discerning what it was that was happening. In analytic psychology, that happens in relationship to an analyst, a group, our own unconscious through dreams and active imagination. It doesn't happen alone. So when you're ready to dive deeper into your own psyche and learn the lessons from your own life, like and subscribe. We'll keep exploring these waters.